What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to try on a new project. It's going to be installing front mud flaps. The problem is when I upgraded to these 17x8 Inky RPF ones with the sticky tires, I'm noticing that I am flicking gravel up right throughout the door in this whole middle area. So I bought these off Amazon. They're under 20 bucks, and I'm going to use the 3 push pins. Here, I'll light it up here so you can see. Right there. So you can see 1, 2, 3. So I'll cut the holes right here, and it'll look something like this. It'll stick out about a 1/4 inch beyond the tire. So something like that. I think it'll look real good. I don't want it to look all like a rally car, but it does need to fulfill the purpose. So yeah, time to get started. Okay, so I've gone ahead and created a mock. It's gonna look like this essentially. So all I had to do was just get the mud flap just a little bit higher than the bottom. But if you look from this angle, this will actually clear the tire. So it's not gonna jut out too much, just a little bit, but this should be enough to block most of the debris. So now it's gonna be to make a template and make sure we align the holes with the push pins. Okay, so step 1, we took the box that it came in, and I'm going to cut along this, which will give me a cardboard template so I can easily put the holes for where the fasteners will go. Okay, so the template's created. If you look right here, the cutout, all I did was use a Sharpie, and you can see we have the push pins went right through, and there's our template. So now all I've got to do is use a Sharpie on the real splash guard and make my own cutout. This is the completed product on this side. I am very satisfied with the results. I think it looks clean. It was pretty simple. But yeah, you can see right here from this angle, it just clears the tire. So yeah, it is not bad for the $15 I paid for it. So now I'm gonna attempt to do the other side. I believe if I just reverse this template, I have template I need. I mean, this was the hardest part, so yeah, now to do the other side. Okay, and just like that, the other side is done. Literally only took me about 10 minutes to install it, because all I did was just flip the template I had, and that's exactly what I was going for right here. So, and it's actually pretty stable. So it's 3 of the clips are holding it in, so you can see right here, 1, 2, and 3. But yeah, I highly recommend the kit. It was only 15 bucks, and it's a great do-it-yourself project. This only took me about 2 hours to do. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.